So let's get to the good stuff, results that have come through. So not just, leads coming in, not calls booked. Talk to me about bottom line, like dollars and cents hitting your bank account. What does that look like?
Well, I am very pleased to say that you have added an additional $500,000 to my revenue in the time that I've worked with you. So that is, super impressive. I think when we were doing the return on investment, it was close to like 1,600% return on investment. So, and I have said this before, and I'll say it again, you're worth every red penny.
We've been able to onboard somewhere in the neighborhood of about 30 to 35 clients, in the neighborhood of about $230,000 to $250,000 in actual commission.
Okay. So just over the last 2 months, 3 months, what's the ballpark amount of commissions you're going to be bringing in?
Between 90 and 100,000.
To give a quick shout out to my man, Mr. Tyson Bailey, the guy that has been absolutely instrumental behind all of our LinkedIn marketing, truly a master of what he does. And if you are in the financial services industry of any sort, he really is your guy. You will finally know someone that actually knows the lingo, the content, what we do, how we do it, and more importantly, you just can sit back and not have to worry about it because he has it all taken care of. We have hired countless social media groups that were always a letdown and extreme disappointment. With him, we have never had this problem. He knew what to do, how to do it. His team and him are top notch. They're easy to get a hold of. The rates are fair, and they always deliver results.
All right, so let's dive into exactly how we're able to help our agents and advisors accomplish those kinds of results using LinkedIn as the primary traffic source. Now, it is not uncommon for a life insurance agent or financial advisor to come to us for the first time and say, hey, I've tried LinkedIn marketing before. I sent out a lot of connection requests. I sent out a lot of messages, but nothing came from it. Tim here is an excellent example. So Tim came to us from another LinkedIn marketing course that he paid thousands of dollars to go through. And within 24 hours of us launching his campaign, he sent us this email where he said, hey, it's been 24 hours since we launched, and I've already had more conversations and more activity in these 24 hours than I did in the 120 plus day program that I was in before. And then not too long after that, he sent us another email talking about active prospects, active clients that he was working with. Raymond here's another good example where he sent this email and he said, hey, Tyson, your service is better than I believed in my hypothesis. I'm hearing from people who never responded to what I sent them, and LinkedIn is the most active in the years I have been a subscriber. Now, love that. We love the connections. We love the conversations. We love the activity, but we love cases even more. So Eagle Star, from our marketing campaign, using LinkedIn as that primary traffic source, was able to land an IUL with $50,000 in annual premium. Francisco here was able to do a life policy conversion that had a commission of $28,456. And then Kara sent us this email talking about a client that she landed off of LinkedIn that is worth over $14 million. The revenue from this client alone was over $100,000. Now, you don't have to be an advanced agent for this to work for you. It works with beginners as well, or if you're newer to the industry. Juan here is an excellent example of that, where about 3 weeks after we had launched this program, he was talking to us about the meetings he's having, the conversations that he's having, the clients that he's landing, which is awesome. So what do we do that is different than what you may have experienced out there? Now, I don't care what your marketing campaign is. I don't care if you're on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or Twitter or anything in between, seminars, direct mail. There are 3 steps to any successful marketing campaign. You have to be able to attract your ideal prospects consistently, nurture them and stay top of mind regularly, and then you have to be able to convert them. Now, unfortunately, what I see most agents and advisors doing on LinkedIn is connecting with somebody and then sending a message like this. This one says, "Hi Ken, I help busy professionals create a retirement income plan to enjoy a financial future they want for themselves and family. Call to see how I can help you." And then it says reply or call, has the number there. Too busy, schedule here, has a Calendly link. Now, if somebody is a busy professional or a busy business owner, do you think that this message is going to entice them enough to take action? If somebody already has a lot of meetings during the day, do you think they're just going to pick up the phone or hop onto another meeting where they're not exactly sure what the purpose of that is? Obviously not. So what do we do instead? What we like to do with our agents and our advisors is focus on getting these individuals, your dream clients, off of LinkedIn by positioning value-based offers. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some sort of value-based offer that sets you up as the go-to expert that they need to turn to. And so they get off of LinkedIn, they request that information, and then from there, that's when they're able to book a strategy session or a discovery call. But in the meantime, we are continuously nurturing them. That nurturing phase is what so many agents and advisors miss out on. So with every agent and every advisor that comes through our system and comes into our program, we make sure that they are set up with over 12 months of landing pages, sales funnels, nurturing sequences, so that they can stay top of mind with their dream clients and their dream prospects and be set up as the subject matter expert. Now, when that is done the right way, these are the kind of results that are possible to generate. So Kara here, we were able to send out one email to her nurturing list on Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas Eve, when most individuals, most agents and advisors are shutting down and saying, hey, people are busy, they're not going to take advantage of this. With one email to that list that we've been nurturing, again, coming off of LinkedIn, we were able to generate 71 new leads, 23 retirement consultations. Now, what is extremely interesting is that the 23 retirement consultations that were booked, they had already been offered a retirement consultation at least once in the past. And so by doing that nurturing appropriately and correctly, we were able to entice these individuals to cross that finish line, get them over the edge to where they're actually requesting meetings. And so going into the new year, this is what Kara's, or at least a portion of what Kara's schedule looked like. So when you're able to attract, when you're able to nurture, when you're able to convert the right way using LinkedIn as that primary traffic source, these are the kinds of results that you can expect, where John here was able to generate between 30 and 35 new clients, about $230,000 to $250,000 in actual commission. He's got neurosurgeons reaching out to him on LinkedIn, wanting help with their tax planning. So if that is a system that you want to set up for your business, if you think that that may be a fit for you, or you at least want to explore it, go to chatwithtyson.com. You can set up a meeting directly with me where we can go through the program in detail. We can take a look at your business and see if it might be a fit. So go to chatwithtyson.com and I will talk to you soon.